Okay. Oh!
They're for sale on this.
This is why I'm recording.
I feel like they missed
Neck and shoulder.
You walked down here before.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah.
What kind of what is going on here?
You really can get
Okay,
hard. It was like Louisiana rain.
Okay, y'all, I just got out of school, and I'm actually getting out of, I just got out of school like not even 10 minutes ago, and when I get out, this is what I see.
Right now it's time for our second storyline that is powered by PointsBet. It's Chris Bassett to get victory in the game today listed.
So we have we've barely gone a block in this, maybe a little more than a block in this time. So I've been out of school because of this rain.
I think it's more than just to the rotation. I had a chance. Well, listen to what Buck said about his work ethic, about how good a shape he's in. I had a chance to talk to Jeremy Hefner at the Old Timers game, and he said that he's been very instrumental in not only being a guy that is very good in that rotation, but he's a guy that has great work ethic. He talks to hitters as much as he talks to pitchers. He loves the game of baseball, and
we have to keep making sudden stops like that. That might have been ball.
Every time out there, Jeremy said sometimes it's hard to get him to come out of the baseball game. And he's so intense.
It's not the first time it's happened today.
We know he did not want to come out of that game after 7 1/3. It's tough to get him off the mound, but 4-0, 162 ERA in the month of August. Really strong numbers.
It's more of the same stuff.
In July, we talked about some of the issues that he had, communication with the catcher, and even Hefner at one point talked about the fact that he was trying to force him to use the cutter a little bit more than he wanted to.
Look at that! Wow! Look on the right.
He's gone back to the two-seam fastball, getting more soft contact, which gets him through batters earlier in the count. Contact as well, and he's used the cutter effectively, but not using it as much. He's using the sinker-cutter combination.
And now there's a branch in the middle of the road. This is just
use that effectively and get deeper in the game.
unreal.
That translates to his last start. Continued use of that sinker and a lot of early contact. Only in 7 1/3 innings last time, only three ball counts.
Oh my goodness, look on the left side of here. Yeah, get that. Oh my
gosh. The curveball's always been good.
Running down,
using it. First pitch,
really
he's
get
been
it.
using
I'm doing
it
my
effectively.
best.
He's getting contact
You will.
with it.
We're going
and
past
these last 2 outs of his outing last time, first pitch curveballs.
Oh,
the
yeah.
guys are not squaring it up.
Oh, wow.
And when I say they're not squaring it up,
It's like a
it's
landslide.
him compared to the rest of baseball, and that curveball
There's
is
more of it, too.
196
Hitting that
up
wall.
against.
It's piling
That's
up
the best
against
in
that
all
wall.
baseball
So
for
it
guys
gets,
that have
so it's going up
that
against
many
that wall.
It's
and
coming
that's
down
something he
here,
recognizes
down this
is a
street,
weapon. He's
and
used it more often. He just
turning.
Oh, jeez.
Going against the wall.
Put guys away. So
All right, drive
all
really.
of those things combined, I think,
All I'm saying is, if you live in our
Bassett
area,
is definitely in a groove
if you
right
live
now.
around
He feels
here,
confident out there.
or
And
anywhere
I
when
think he
there's
wants to push the pitch limit at least
with
as
like
much as
this,
Buck needs him to save the bullpen as
drive
well
carefully
and to
because
get deeper in the ballgame.
Against the Dodgers, their hitters
this is just wild.
what they saw last night from Jacob
Go a
Rupp.
break in the rain, not as hard.
Well, the one thing that it helps with Bassett is he has been getting ahead so much. The Dodger hitters are so patient. They grind out at bats and they make you throw strikes. Well, he's been throwing strikes.
So we're at the corner of Park Hollow and Ledgeview in Fort Worth
I wouldn't be surprised that the Dodgers
at the
know all
moment.
this as well. So I wouldn't be surprised to see them be a little more aggressive early in the count today against him.
All right, so we close in on game time out at City Field. That's going for the season series win.
Okay, I think we're finally
Final check of the lineup in a moment. as
past
Chris
most of
Bassett
it.
gets ready to go to work at the ballpark. We're coming right back.
Wow, 3 straight minutes of nothing.
Definitely needed more space. That was the absolute best change in our family because they have so much
Rain and
space to run
floods.
around. Well, not her yet, but him.
Doesn't look bad here.
No,
It's all right here.
top of the hill.
It's taking me back to the highway.
like this? That was before.
All right, y'all, we're pretty much out of the neighborhood now. Finally. This is just wild. This is just wild, though.
If summer was tough on your lawn, Scott's Turf Builder can repair the wear and tear, so you can keep the fun going long into the fall.
Sportclips MVP haircut experience is like nothing else in the
All right, y'all. Yeah, we're pretty much out of the neighborhood.
It's better than ever. It's a perfectly steamed hot towel
Thanks for
infused with our signature scent.
watching.
A 7-point massaging shampoo.
I know my channel's kind of dead right now.
Nirvana.
I'm doing my best to fix that.
The MVP haircut experience. Only at Sportclips.
You really can't get much for
But
these days unless.
that being said,
Is that a real song?
I think she liked it. Your choice of sandwich plus all this for just $5 is worth
that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. This one just made the craziest one yet.